What's up, DV gang? So as y'all can see from the title, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do some wand curls in your deep wave hair. If you guys are getting bored with, you know, the wet look type, I'm going to show you guys how you can just switch it up and get some bomb deep. Y'all, my son is just standing there and being a crazy. Get some bomb beautiful wand curls. So the items that you guys gonna need is, you know, oil of your choice. I'm going to be using the Garnier Fructis. I am going to be using the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine oil, as well as my Remington curl wine, some hair clips. You guys could use an edge brush if you're gonna do some edges, as well as your paddle brush. I'm going to only be doing probably a little bit, half of my hair on camera, because you guys should already know how to wand curl your hair. So I'm just gonna go and detangle my hair, do half of my hair off camera, and then I'll be back and show you guys how to do the tutorial. To come and show you guys how one side already looks done versus the other side. So this side already have the oil on the hair, this side doesn't, and you guys, hopefully the camera is picking it up, but you guys can actually tell the difference when there's oil in the hair versus when there's no oil in the hair. This side literally only took me less than 10 minutes to do. So I'm gonna go and do half of this, and then I'm gonna come back and do the rest on camera for you guys. So guys, I am halfway done. I have this much left to do. So I got my Garnier Fructis oil, and I have my paddle brush, and I'm just going to detangle this again. Add one pump. It's kind of too much. And just dispense it throughout my hair, making sure I get the ends. Now this is Beauty Forever hair. I have 4 bundles of 22 inches and a 20-inch closure, and this is deep wave hair, guys. And I did order this hair off of ALIEXPRESS. I do have several videos on this hair that you guys can definitely go out and check it out. And guys, if you have not yet checked out my family channel, definitely go out and check that out. I will leave it up top so you guys can check all my mukbangs, because y'all already know it's mukbang time. So definitely go and check out my family channel. Be a part of the family gang. Be a part of the family gang. So I'm basically gonna take a section of hair, about that much, and I am going to use my clip to clip the other side of the hair. I'm gonna go back in with my paddle brush to make sure everything is just nice and smooth. I'm going to divide this section into 2. And I'm just going to wand curl. Now everybody have their own direction on the way they use their wand curler. Normally when I do my hair, both sides of my hair is wand curl in different directions. I wand curl my hair better on the left side rather than me wand curling it on the right side for some reason. So I'm just gonna take my wand curler and wand the hair all the way around. And I'm just gonna count until, I'm just going to count to 20. Ooh, wait. Y'all, I forgot to turn the wand curler back on. Guys, we're just gonna take the wand curl and we're gonna wand it around like so. And once it's on, I normally just count to 20. And once I'm done, oh, that came out messed up. But once I'm done, I just hold it in place for a few minutes. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do that again because I didn't do that properly. I'm gonna take my wand curler, wand the hair around, and hold for 20 minutes. I'm sorry, hold for 20 seconds. And just hold the hair in place for a second. And then release. And I have a wand curl. So I'm probably just speed up this part so you guys won't be here all day. learning how to do my baby hair, so I'm gonna just do that off camera real quick and I'll be back. So guys, there are days when I can do these baby hairs and there are days when I can't just get it. And right now, this is one of those days where I just cannot get it and it's just whatever. But overall, I like the curls, but this is not the actual look that I'm going for. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little small pea-sized amount of oil, rub it in the palm of my hands, and basically I'm going to just divide my hair in sections, and I'm just going to finger comb the curls out. And already you guys can tell a difference. Guys, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. Like I said before, don't forget to check out my family channel where I do all my vlogs and mukbang. Be a part of the family gang. Be a part of the family gang. And don't forget to smash that like button as well as smash that subscribe button and turn on all post notifications so every time I upload a video you guys can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to y'all later. Until next time, peace.